Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to restricted file in a Google Drive on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Google Drive right here. And now if you want to restrict the file, you just have to choose the file that you want to restrict it first. For example, I'm gonna restrict it for this file. Just tap on this three dots icon, and after in this page you just have to go to this manage access. After, go to this restricted. As you can see, I use the restricted here guys, which is only people added can open. Here, if you share the link, only people that you added to your Gmail that can open and see your link. To edit, you just have to tap on this people icon at the top right. Now just add people or groups that you want to share it. For example, I'm gonna add for my first Google account here guys, like this. And now you can add a message also. Just tap on this arrow icon. Now just tap on share. So person added, which is this file, is only can see by the people added and you in this Google account here guys. If you use this second option, which is anyone with the link, you can share the link to anyone, to everyone, without restricted it. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.